Alright, so I thought I'd do a little walkthrough on my industrial here. This is part Decade 80. Well, it's a convertible, but she's the handle is very similar to a traditional convertible, like one of those four over there. The base is similar to a decade style convertible. One of those two. This one doesn't have a headlight though, and this one's bagless. Well, some of the decade 80s were bagless too, but Matt Cat gave me this one in December of 2023. She's one of my favorites. I run her once a week. In case you're wondering, Matt, if I ever use her, run her once a week. She has a nice long cord, and the cord's in really nice shape. I'm going to show you the underside here. I thought I'd do this since I'm going someplace special this week. I haven't really said much about her, so I think her brush roll's original. And this one, the serial date, this one, these older Hoovers. Let me turn it this way. There we go. The serial date, the Maytag ones are over here. The first digit tells you the month and year, or the month the cleaner's made, and the second and third decode the year. On these older ones, though, these pre-Maytag ones, this is model number C1069. Let me take a picture of that. This one, it's right here. So this 482 means that this was made in April of 1982. So, yeah, she's a pretty good machine. Needs cleaned out. I don't think I've really cleaned her up since I got her. But, yeah. There's my Power Max, so I'm going to do an update on that after this video. In a house run. And she does have, like many convertibles, she does have the height adjustment pedal back here. So I'm going to set her to normal. And give her a little run for you guys. And I will say that this is one of my submissions for the Hoover Historical Center. Hint, hint. She does sound a little different than a traditional convertible. Decade 80. Oh, decade. But even for a newer guardsman like that one over there. But she does clean pretty good. And cleans even better when her thing's on the the height adjustment is set to normal. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video.